Foldable travel electric kettle, collapsible electric kettle, dual voltage auto shift, temper control portable travel kettle, small electric kettle, food grade silicone. Boil dry protection. Fast review. Do you know who and how's the people use the electric kettle in the hotel room? Is it clean or with bacteria? Do you miss your first cup of tea or coffee in every morning of your travel? Now you no need to worry it anymore. We bring you the safe and clean water by your personal use travel kettle. Dual voltage and auto identify and switch design. No matter AC 100-120 volts or AC 200-220 volts, plug in the power can be used directly. With safety function, boil dry protection, auto shut off, overheat safeguards. Worldwide voltage, auto-identify the volt of 110 volts to 240 volts and suit it, without manual switch of the voltage, so easy to use at your worldwide trip. 4 minutes to boil the water under 220 V, but 8 minutes under 110 V. Easy to use, provided a travel plug adapter with the product, ensure the convenience during your travel. Separable detachable power cord is more convenient to store and more unimpeded to pour water. Safety use. The kettle made by food grade silicone, afford temper between 100 to 220. Equipped with boil dry protection, auto shut off, overheat safeguards. The perfect healthy partner of your travel.